Hey guys, the unstoppable cuber is back with this new video. Now in this video I am going to tell you about how to add the numbers on Abacus. For the addition of the numbers on Abacus, you just need to know the two rules, the big friend rules and small friend rules. Now in this video I am going to tell you about the small friend rule. So let's get started. For the small friend rule, you just need to know that the 5 is the boss. Let's take an example as you can know about the small friend rule better. 3. We have to add 3 plus 2. So as you can see here, I don't have enough beats here. So for this you have to add the boss 5 less the 2's friend, that is 3. So addition of boss 5 less the 2's friend, that is 3. See, 5. Now let's take another example. 4 plus 1, 4. Now we have to add the 1 here. So as you can see, I don't have the single bead here. You have to remove 4, that is 1's friend, remove 4 and add the boss 5. For this step you just need to know that the 5 is the boss. You have to make the sum 5. Here the 1's friend is 4, 2's friend is 3, 3's friend is 2 and 4's friend is 1. So only the small friend rule. And for the big friend rule you need to wait for my next video. And if you are not aware of the basics of Abacus, please go in the description box and click the link which is given. Thank you. The unstoppable cuber is signing off.